This is Jason, and this video is going to go over Google Chrome extensions. So they only work in Google Chrome. I'm on a MacBook right now, and I'm in Google Chrome, and I'm all signed in. These are my extensions up here on the top right of the screen. Google Chrome extensions are meant to work above and beyond the Google Chrome web browser. So when I go ahead and click on this one, for example, it allows me to see the contents of my drive. And no matter what website I'm on, anytime I go and click on this icon, I can see the contents of my drive. So without getting into too much detail about what other good Chrome extensions are, let's talk about how you get them and how you maintain them. So I'm on a Mac, like I said, and if you're on Windows, this will be the same. If you're on a Chromebook, you're not going to have this Apps button here. Mac and PC, you click Apps. On a Chromebook, you click the search button on the bottom left, and then go to All Apps. And you need to find this application called Web Store. So the Chrome Web Store, it's where you add Chrome apps and Chrome extensions. So you could click here to just browse extensions and look for something that you might want to try. If you know what you're looking for, in this example I'll look for a Google Keep extension. It's important to note that when you search for a term, it always gives you apps first and then extensions. So these are the extensions here, and if you want to look at more because maybe the first three aren't exactly what you're looking for, click on More Extension Results, and the entire list will become just extensions. So if you want to add an extension, you can hit Add to Chrome right from here, give it permission to run. Most of the time it'll pop up here. Or you can click on the title, read more about it. When you want to add one, again, you click Add, give it permission. Some of them will take a minute to load. And as you can see, the Chrome extension has been installed. I'm not going to use it right now, but that's how you add an extension. So when you have extensions up here, if you were to right click on one of them, and just because I added it, I'll right click on Keep, I can hide it or remove it right from here. Okay, you'll also see this Manage Extensions option. So let's talk about these. Hide in Chrome menu will take it and it'll remove it from this menu right here. So obviously this is called the Chrome menu. When you click the three lines, you'll see that it actually got moved to here. And if I want to, I can go ahead and move it back by, again, right-clicking on it, and this time choosing Keep in Toolbar. Another one of the options, Remove from Chrome, would actually delete this extension from my Chrome browsing experience. Are you sure you want to remove it? And you'll see that this button is changed back to Add to Chrome because Google Keep is no longer a Chrome extension I'm using. The third one I pointed out, Manage Extensions. If I were to click this, it'll take me to the list of all of the extensions I have installed in my Google Chrome. I'll show you another way to get here real quick. You click the three lines, go to More Tools, and then Extensions. Same list. It's important to visit this once in a while because sometimes when you add a Chrome app or install new software, if it's a Mac or a PC, sometimes it'll install an extension that you may or may not want. And if you don't want it, it's important to delete it. Another thing you'll find sometimes is that not all extensions are created equal. Some extensions will give you some sort of spam. So when you go to create a new tab page, you'll see ads for something. And typically, anytime you have that, and especially on a Chromebook, it's because of an unwanted extension. So you can scroll through here, and if you don't want, well, let's say if you're trying to narrow down which extension is causing you some sort of problem. If you click the check next to enabled, it will disable it. And I don't know if you noticed this, but the icon for Checker Plus for Google Drive went away. If you find that it's not the cause of a problem, you can click enable and it'll come right back. If you do find an extension that you don't want or was added and you want to remove it, you click the trash, it'll delete it from Chrome for you. And while we're in here looking at managing extensions, it's important to note that you can click on Options. This awesome screenshot extension is used for taking pictures of your Chrome browser. Which format do I want? Do I want it as a JPEG or PNG? What do I want my shortcuts to be? Do I want there to be a delay? So some extensions have different levels of options that you can adjust. and that's where you would do it. The last thing I'll point out, managing extensions, permissions. When you click permissions, it'll tell you exactly what the Chrome extension can access within your Chrome account. And if you're not comfortable with any of that, you can always go ahead and delete them and go ahead and find an alternative that maybe doesn't require the same permissions. Alright, so that's Chrome extensions, and thank you for watching.